रास्ते लंबे हैं, मंजिल दूर है, मगर हर पल जीना ही सफ़र का नूर है। नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं डॉक्टर प्लूटो, नए सफ़र और नई कहानियों की खोज में, जिसे आप आस्था भी कह सकते हैं। तो क्या आप इस सफ़र में डॉक्टर प्लूटो के साथ जुड़ने के लिए तैयार हैं? और कहते हैं ना, हर किताब एक सफ़र है और हर सफ़र एक कहानी।
Chapter 12 Enjoying the Present Moment. Carpe diem means seize the day. Make the best of it in every way. Don't lose a moment, come what may. Forget about tomorrow, just live today. The simplest secret of happiness is to be happy moment by moment in the present. Most people let the moment pass without enjoying it. They lose the moment and with it lose the opportunity of being happy. We lose our greatest treasure. Most of us think that our money, our material possessions, our relationships are important assets that we possess. We don't realize that our greatest treasure is the moment we have. If we don't have this moment, then nothing belongs to us. If we lose the next moment and it is snatched away from us, whatever we thought belongs to us would cease to belong to us. Our most important treasure is the moment. Still, we lose it needlessly. We could be happy enjoying the moment, but we let the moment get destroyed. How does this happen? The moment is ours to enjoy. If we don't use it, then we lose it, and with it, the opportunity to be happy. We have a choice to be happy moment by moment, enjoying every moment, but unfortunately, we don't. Carpe diem. This lovely phrase, carpe diem, challenges us to seize the day. Why has this phrase become a global favorite? Because most of people lose the present moment worrying about the future. So, carpe diem reminds us to make the most of the present time. The Roman poet Horace expressed this in 23 BC, but it has still not been understood by humanity 2000 years later. In Latin, carpe diem is also translated as plug the day, which means living life to the fullest. Carpe diem, enjoy the day, seize the moment, live in the present, is such an inspiring phrase known to the world but practiced only by few. Enjoy today. Are you enjoying today? Is your today filled with joy and peace? Or have you already started your day on the wrong foot? Don't feel embarrassed. Most of us do. We jump into the day and we worry about what people say and think that the skies will be cloudy and grey. Don't lose today. Catch hold of it now. Correct your attitude. Whatever may be happening around you, let it not affect your own happiness. Happiness is how you feel. The world around you may be in a turmoil, but if you learn to count your blessings and live in peace, you can be joyous. Make a commitment to be happy today, and it starts by enjoying the now. Find a way to be happy now. It may be a happy thought, a happy song, a happy friend, or any happy triggers that can you make smile. Do it now. Then don't let go of the commitment to be happy. Be conscious of your resolution that you want to be happy now. You want to fill today with happiness. Make gratitude your attitude. If we live with an attitude of gratitude, we can become happy instantly. We forget to count our blessings and thus lose the attitude of gratitude. We criticize and complain when we compare our life with others. We don't count our blessings for the seven wonders that we are gifted with. Wonders, wonders that are more wondrous than the wonders of the world. Our eyes, our ears, our nose, our mouth, our hands, our head, and our heart. Imagine if we lose one of them, how would life be? Still, there are many people who are blind, deaf, or dumb. We must appreciate that we are blessed. We must be grateful. This simple attitude of gratitude can make us happy. God, I am grateful today for all things that cash can't pay. What would life be without eyes to see? Wonder without music, how happy could I be? Thank you, Lord, are the words I say every moment on this gratitude day. Be in the now. The biggest challenge is to be in the now. If only we can do this one thing, we can enjoy the present moment. We slip out of the moment and we are lost somewhere, then how can we enjoy it? If we are not conscious of this moment and we open the bucket of this moment to let regret and fear fill it, then the moment is full of negative garbage. It is important to protect the moment. Our moment is our biggest treasure. We have no other goal but to fill this moment with joy. But we can only do it if we become conscious of the moment and we don't lose it to our enemies. Be happy always. It is not difficult to be happy always. It's all about staying happy moment by moment, is not it? But don't let go of it when the next moment unfolds. Let's be happy and continue being happy moment by moment, then we can be happy forever. If we can be in the moment, we have achieved the objective of being happy always. We don't have to be happy yesterday. We can't. We can't be happy tomorrow as it doesn't exist. We all know the fact that the only thing we have is the present moment and we know it. And we know it is possible to be happy in the present moment. That's all we need to do. When this moment turns into the next, we must not lose the moment that arrives. We must grasp it with love and make the best of it. Living moment by moment joyously, we can be happy always. If with an attitude of gratitude you choose to live, being happy in the now, you love and give, then you can be happy all the while if only in the each moment you choose to smile. Summary of Chapter 12. Enjoying the present moment. The simplest secret of happiness is to be happy moment by moment. We don't realize that our greatest treasure is the moment we have. Whatever may be happening around us, it should not affect our own happiness. Happiness is how we feel. We need to make it a commitment to enjoy today, and it starts by enjoying now. We should not let go of this commitment to be happy and always be conscious of our resolution that we want to be happy now. We must appreciate that we are blessed and we must be grateful. This simple attitude of gratitude can make us happy. It is not difficult to be happy always. All it needs is that we must develop the habit of being happy moment by moment, every moment we live. When this moment turns into the next, we must not lose the moment that arrives and we must remain joyous.